Imagine Earth 66 million years ago. Picture a world teeming with life, a vibrant tapestry woven from the threads of countless species, a world dominated by giants. Dinosaurs, in all their magnificent forms, reigned supreme. From the smallest feathered predators to the colossal herbivores, they were the undisputed masters of their domain. Lush, verdant forests stretched from pole to pole, blanketing the continents in a sea of green. Towering trees reached for the sky, their branches intertwined to form a dense canopy that filtered the sunlight below. And dinosaurs ruled every continent, from the icy landscapes of the south to the tropical jungles of the equator. They had adapted to every environment, filling every ecological niche. Tyrannosaurus rex, the apex predator, stalked North America, its powerful jaws and keen senses making it a formidable hunter. It was a king in its domain, feared by all, while herds of triceratops with their distinctive frills and horns grazed peacefully on the fern prairies, their numbers providing safety in a world filled with danger. In South America, massive sauropods like Argentinosaurus browsed treetops, their long necks allowing them to reach the highest branches, consuming tons of vegetation each day. They were the gentle giants of their time. The skies teemed with pterosaurs, their leathery wings carrying them effortlessly through the air, soaring above the land in search of prey. And the waters teemed with marine reptiles like Mosasaurus, powerful predators that ruled the oceans, their sleek bodies perfectly adapted for hunting in the depths. This was a vibrant, interconnected ecosystem, a delicate balance of life and death, where every creature played a vital role in the grand scheme of nature. Thriving for over 150 million years, this world had seen countless generations of dinosaurs come and go, each leaving their mark on the planet. Dinosaurs hatched from their eggs, grew to adulthood, and eventually died, their lives playing out against the backdrop of an ancient and unchanging world. In a world seemingly without end, the dinosaurs lived and thrived, unaware of the forces that would soon bring their reign to a catastrophic close. But beneath this apparent stability, fate was already at work, setting the stage for a dramatic and irreversible change. The planet spun on its axis, oblivious to the impending doom, carrying its inhabitants towards an uncertain future. Unaware of a silent threat racing through the vast expanse of space, a cosmic bullet hurtling towards its unsuspecting target. On this day, like any other, the sun rose over a world brimming with life, casting its golden rays across the prehistoric landscape, a world about to face its greatest test, a challenge that would forever alter the course of life on Earth. No creature, great or small, sensed the coming catastrophe, the impending doom that would soon engulf their world. The age of dinosaurs, a reign that had lasted for eons, was about to be shattered, its legacy forever etched in the fossil record. In an instant, everything would change. Life's greatest challenge, the ultimate test of survival, was on its way, hurtling through space towards a world on the brink. From the depths of space, a colossal asteroid, 10 kilometers wide, hurtled toward Earth. It had wandered the solar system for eons, now drawn by gravity to a fatal rendezvous. To the cosmos, it was a speck. To Earth, it was doom incarnate. Its target, a shallow sea near today's Yucatan Peninsula. As it entered the atmosphere, friction turned it into a fireball brighter than 1,000 suns. The air shrieked as the asteroid tore through, compressing into superheated plasma. In seconds, the fate of the dinosaurs was sealed. Had its path shifted by a fraction, disaster would have been averted. But physics chose otherwise. The world's ancient rhythms were about to be obliterated. The messenger from space was moments from impact. The countdown to extinction had begun. The asteroid struck with a force beyond imagination, over 1 billion atomic bombs worth of energy. A blinding flash vaporized rock and water, carving a crater 180 kilometers wide. Shockwaves rippled through the planet, triggering earthquakes and volcanic eruptions worldwide. A tsunami hundreds of meters high raced across continents, erasing entire ecosystems. The impact hurled trillions of tons of debris into the sky, some even escaping Earth's gravity. As molten rock rained down, the atmosphere ignited in a global firestorm. The sky filled with glowing spherules, heating the air to oven-like temperatures. The day the asteroid hit, the sky itself caught fire. In moments, the world of the dinosaurs was mortally wounded. The true extinction had only just begun. Across the globe, fire rained from the sky. Superheated debris ignited forests, turning continents into infernos. Wildfires raged, creating their own storms and blanketing the planet in smoke and ash. The air became toxic, filled with poisonous gases and choking soot. Survivors of the initial blast now faced a world ablaze. The sun vanished behind a shroud of darkness. The familiar landscapes were gone, replaced by charred wastelands. The fires were only the beginning. A deeper crisis loomed. The planet was about to enter a long, deadly winter. The age of fire would give way to an age of darkness. As the fires died, a thick blanket of soot and dust blocked the sun. Daylight faded to twilight for months, maybe years. Photosynthesis halted, plants withered, and food chains collapsed. Herbivores like Triceratops starved, followed by the great predators. The intricate web of life unraveled at shocking speed. In the oceans, phytoplankton died, triggering mass extinctions of marine life. Temperatures plummeted, even the tropics froze. Dinosaurs, adapted to warmth, could not survive the sudden cold. Starving, freezing, and shrouded in darkness, the last dinosaurs wandered a dying world. The Cretaceous greenhouse was gone, replaced by a global winter. The reign of the dinosaurs ended not with a roar, but with silence. The world was left barren and cold. The survivors would be few. The result was one of Earth's greatest mass extinctions. 75% of all species vanished. Non-avian dinosaurs, pterosaurs, marine reptiles, and ammonites disappeared forever. The world lost its giants, its ancient rulers. Yet some life endured. Small adaptable creatures, early mammals, birds and burrowing animals survived the apocalypse. Those able to eat seeds, insects, or decaying matter fared best. Freshwater species and cold-blooded survivors like crocodiles and turtles weathered the storm. The extinction was a filter, sparing the resilient and the lucky. Birds, the only surviving dinosaurs, found ways to persist. The stage was cleared for new life to emerge. The age of dinosaurs was over, but life's story continued. From devastation, opportunity arose. For decades, the mystery surrounding the dinosaurs' demise loomed large, captivating scientists and sparking endless debate. What could have possibly caused these magnificent creatures, rulers of the Earth for over 150 million years, to vanish so abruptly? The dinosaurs' sudden disappearance puzzled scientists. It was a paleontological enigma, a question that seemed to defy easy answers. Theories abounded, ranging from volcanic eruptions to climate change, but none provided a truly satisfying explanation. The answer, as it often does in science, lay hidden in the Earth itself. Specifically, it was found in a thin, dark layer of clay, an unassuming band of sediment nestled between layers of rock. This layer, known as the KPG boundary, marking the transition between the Cretaceous and Paleogene periods, wasn't just a local phenomenon. It was found worldwide, a global signature of a cataclysmic event. This thin line held the key to unlocking one of the greatest mysteries in the history of life. In the 1970s, a team of researchers led by Luis and Walter Alvarez made a groundbreaking discovery. They found a spike of iridium, a rare element, rare on Earth but common in asteroids, concentrated precisely at this boundary layer. This was an anomaly, a geological fingerprint that demanded an explanation. This was the smoking gun, compelling evidence of a massive impact event from outer space. Further bolstering this theory, shocked quartz and glassy spherules, tiny molten droplets formed by intense pressure and heat generated from the impact, were also found in abundance within the same layer, painting a clearer picture of the devastation. Then, in the 1990s, a crucial piece of the puzzle fell into place. Scientists uncovered the Chicxulub crater in Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula, perfectly matching the impact's age and scale, confirming its role in the extinction event. The crater was the scar left by the asteroid, a permanent reminder of the day the world changed forever. With the discovery of the Chicxulub crater, the impact hypothesis was definitively confirmed. The story of the dinosaurs' end, once a mystery, was now clearly written in the rocks, a testament to the power of geological evidence. Science had finally solved the mystery, piecing together the clues to reveal the truth about the dinosaurs' extinction. The clues had been waiting patiently for 66 million years, preserved in the Earth's memory. The truth was buried beneath our feet, waiting to be unearthed and understood. After the darkness lifted, a new dawn broke upon a world irrevocably changed. The dust settled, revealing a landscape scarred by unimaginable devastation. The immediate aftermath of the cataclysm was a scene of utter desolation, a testament to the sheer power of the asteroid impact. But even in this seemingly lifeless environment, the seeds of recovery were already being sown. The world was transformed. The familiar ecosystems of the Mesozoic era were gone, replaced by something new, something different. The air, once thick with the breath of giants, now carried the scent of nascent life, of hardy plants pushing through the ashen soil. The giants were gone, their reign abruptly ended by forces beyond their control. The age of dinosaurs had passed, leaving behind a void in the ecological landscape. The world that they had dominated for so long was now open to new possibilities, but the survivors emerged into a world of opportunity. Creatures that had once lived in the shadows, hidden beneath the feet of dinosaurs, now found themselves in a world without predators. Small mammals, once confined to the shadows, scurrying in the undergrowth, their lives dictated by the presence of colossal reptiles, began to diversify and thrive, stepping into ecological niches previously unavailable to them. The extinction event had cleared the board, and they were ready to play a new game. Freed from dinosaur dominance, they evolved rapidly, adapting to the changing environment and exploiting new resources. The pressure of competition from larger creatures was gone, allowing them to explore new evolutionary pathways. Some took to the trees, developing grasping hands and keen eyesight, ancestors of primates to come, others to the water, their bodies streamlining, their senses adapting to the underwater world. Birds, the last dinosaurs, flourished, filling the skies with their songs and colors, and filled the skies with new forms, evolving into a dazzling array of species, each adapted to a specific ecological role. In the oceans, fish, resilient and adaptable, and sharks rebounded, reclaiming their place as apex predators. The marine ecosystems, though battered, began to heal. Life endured, rebuilding shattered ecosystems, slowly but surely reclaiming the planet. The mass extinction was both an end and a beginning, a reset button for the planet's evolutionary trajectory. The resilience of life was on full display, a testament to its inherent drive to survive and thrive, even in the face of unimaginable adversity. The Chicxulub impact was a catastrophe, a planetary-scale disaster that reshaped the course of evolution. But not the end, merely a turning point, a dramatic shift in the balance of power. Evolution's creative power, unleashed by the extinction event, filled the void left by the dinosaurs, leading to the rise of new forms of life, adapted to the new world. The survivor's tale is one of renewal and adaptation, a story of how life can overcome even the most devastating challenges. The stage was set for the rise of mammals, a group of creatures that would eventually inherit the Earth and shape its future in profound ways. From the ashes of the Cretaceous, a new world emerged. Mammals rose, evolving into diverse forms, including our own ancestors. The extinction of the dinosaurs made our existence possible. Had the asteroid missed, humanity might never have evolved. We are the children of survivors, shaped by ancient catastrophe. The story of the dinosaurs' end is also a story of hope and renewal. Life's resilience and creativity shine through even the darkest times. The legacy of the dinosaurs is the world we inhabit today,